Hi all, welcome back to the shop. Today I want to share with you the painting operation, and I just finished to make the sanding on all the joint to remove the excess of material that I can have in the angle and in the edge. I also use a degreasing product to be sure that the first painting will be okay. In fact, it will be a primer in the first step, and the primer will be white to give a more shiny result. So we'll be back in a while with the first primer painting made on the chips and coolant receiver. Hi all, welcome back to the shop. So the chips and coolant receiver has freshly received the first layer of primer. So as you can see, it is very shiny, and this layer will protect the steel plate from the rust, and it gives also a very shiny color. So it is like a light, and reflect the light very easily. So it's better to have a light color than a black one. And the outside also was painted with the same color. So next operation will be to make the second and final layer of primer, and job well done for this guy. And I will share with you the next step. So see you later.
Thanks for watching, guys.